Hey everybody, welcome back. And if you're new here and you want to improve your skills in the kitchen, consider subscribing so you never miss a video. Today we're making a homemade pie crust. There's no need to buy a pre-made pie crust in the freezer aisle of your grocery store.
There's no need to buy a pre-made pie crust.
Sorry, I just wanted to emphasize that. Okay, so it's really easy to do. As long as you have your measurements right, you're golden. I really suggest using a scale. This recipe calls for 2.5 cups of flour. I got my measuring cups, scooped out a cup, leveled it off. 2.5 cups, I weighed it out. 2.5 cups weighted is 320 grams. Mine weighed 370 grams. So your measurements off like that, it's really gonna mess up your pie crust. Way too much flour, it's not gonna roll easy, it's gonna fall apart, and you're just gonna get frustrated. So do yourself a favor, measure out your flour. So really, this isn't so hard to do at all. I put everything in the food processor right here. Got my flour, weighed out, put that in. Got 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt. Now I got a little secret ingredient to make this pie crust extra special. Vodka. That's right, vodka in the pie crust. Unlike water, the alcohol, it doesn't help with the formation of gluten. If you have too much gluten in the pie crust, it's not gonna have a nice flaky texture. So the vodka really helps with that, and you could use any alcohol. For this is my basic pie crust, I use the vodka. If I'm making like an apple pie, I'll use Calvados. If I'm making a pecan pie, I'll use bourbon or pecan pie. Is it pecan or pecan? I'm not sure, I think it's pecan. Yeah, it's pecan. If I'm making a pecan pie, I use the bourbon. If you don't want to use the alcohol, after we make this, I'll show you how to make it without the alcohol, but you get the same result. And if you don't want to use a food processor, I'll show you with it as well, where you don't have to use the food processor. So stay tuned for that. So we're just going to combine this. And I got 2 sticks of butter here. Cubed it up, left in the fridge. It's nice and cold. We want everything to be cold. We want to have that nice consistency. It has to be like sand. So we'll just add all this butter. We don't want to work it too much, just till it's nice and combined and it's like sand. All right, that looks good. It's okay if you have a little bit chunks, but as long as they're mostly pea-sized with the butter, that's what we want, this consistency. I've got my vodka and water, 1/4 cup each. Put that in the freezer, let it get nice and chilled. Again, with the temperature, everything needs to be nice and cold, and we're just gonna drizzle this in to combine everything, a little bit at a time. Let me show you how you know when it's perfect. And this recipe is really foolproof. It's really, you never need to add any more water or any less water. The only reason you would have to do that is if you don't weigh out your ingredients. Take a look at this. Be careful with the blade. I'm putting your hands in here, they're very sharp. Just grab some and squeeze it in your hand. And if it resembles pie crust, like so, you're good to go. So this is ready. So let's dump this out and we'll roll it out. And this is also gonna give you 2 pie shells. We'll take this, remove the blade, again, carefully, and we'll dump this out. And you're just gonna bring it together, squeezing it together. You don't wanna work it too much, you don't have to knead it, just to bring it together. You don't wanna overwork it, because then you're gonna have a tough crust. We want it to be nice and flaky. And then we just wanna divide this in half. And we have our 2 pie doughs. And we want to cool these in the refrigerator for at least an hour before you use them. We're just going to wrap each one in plastic wrap so it doesn't get a crust on it. Flatten it out just a bit. Some more surface area, it'll cool faster. And it'll also make it easier to roll out when you're ready. When we roll this out, you don't want to just take it out cold and start rolling. It'll crack very easily. You can see the specks of butter. That's perfect. That's exactly what you're looking for, because all that's going to cool, it's going to harden, and then when it's rolled out and ready to bake, all that's just going to melt and give you that beautiful flaky crust. Now let me show you if you don't want to use the alcohol or the food processor. Really easy way. Pastry cutter, handheld pastry cutter, just like this. Even if you don't have a pastry cutter, you could use 2 forks. And we're going to replace the vodka with apple cider vinegar. Any vinegar works as well. This will give us the same results that the alcohol will do. It's going to evaporate quicker and just leave us with a flakier crust. It's going to make it easier to roll out. There's less of a chance of forming too much gluten in the pie crust. As your pie crust cooks, the vinegar flavor is going to cook off just like the alcohol is going to cook off, and you won't taste it. Of course, if you don't want to use alcohol and you don't want to use the vinegar, just use 1/2 cup of water. I have the butter in the freezer actually, and we're going to get a box grater and grate the butter in. So since we grate the butter, it's gonna be nice and small, and it's really gonna mix well with the flour much easier. Just got a bowl, same thing, measured out the flour, 320 grams. Add our flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt. Just give that a mix. I pulled my 2 sticks of butter from the freezer, and we'll just grate them right in. Just be careful, the box graters slice up your knuckles. It's not fun. The size of the butter, it's really gonna be easier for that to incorporate with the flour. You can just break that last piece. Grate in our other stick of butter. And now we'll just cut that in with our pastry cutter. I mean, the food processor is easy, but there's a lot of parts to clean once it's done. And cleanup is never fun. The butter's so small, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's cut in. It's the same result as the food processor did. So I got my apple cider vinegar and water chilling, and then we'll just incorporate that. I used to use a recipe that called for 3 cups of flour with 1.5 sticks of butter. Just way too much flour, and it was just a nightmare to try and roll out. I mean, it would just start cracking, and it would just way too dry. And this recipe I've been using is so much better. It's literally foolproof. So do our test again, get our hands in there, see if it resembles dough, and it does. And bring it together. Just like with our other pie dough. Same result, just no food processor, no alcohol. Get it wrapped up, just roll them into a disc. There we go. Just for the other one, put it in the fridge. So there you have it, homemade pie crust. 2 different ways to do it. Try it with that vodka or any alcohol you have, the vinegar as well, and just choose which way is best for you. Food processor, pastry cutter, either way, the end result is going to be delicious, I promise you that. So give this video a thumbs up, helps this channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.